Welcome to Atlantic City Wildlife Preservation. Dali ka darling. Isasama na rin kita na pre-reserve ka ng asawa mo.
Pre-reserve ako?
He's also one of the wildlife. She is well preserved by his husband. The husband preserved him to stay.
Thought it was recording.
Yeah, until we finish the whole thing. Okay.
Okay. Ducks.
Oh, it's only half. Oh, there's one. Then we're just gonna get the. Okay, back. I know.
Back.
She have a plan because she gonna edit it. Thank you.
I think that's about it.
Let me see.
You went circle, right?
Yeah, almost
Oh,
a circle.
Thank you.
O, saka katapos baba din. Baba ka din.
Yay!
Testing if on ko yung task. Yan. Dapat may video ka doon.
Halika, kuha na kita. Ikaw na. The princess climbing the Okay.
Saka na din tayo. Saka na din tayo.
Okay.
Halika. Halika.
Okay.
Trono na natin to.
Alright, sige. Ikaw. Matanda na talaga si John, ha? Ayaw na niyang magganito kasi
Dito tayo.
nagsawa na siya eh.
Ayan, Tarling, oh. 360 mo dito, Tarling.
Oh, wow.
360 mo, Tarling.
Napagod ako.
Ikaw naman.
Mm.
Ay, naglupa tiri. Hindi, nakakuha na,
Gusto ko yung pinto darling. Ay. Aw. So you open your mouth.
The bird wants to know.
He's such a I'm in a fame. I'm famous. I'm standing in a red carpet with what audience. Yeah, you really have a camera.
remember last time you said when we return here, it's better to bring something for taking pictures. That's what you said.
Better camera.
Yeah, that's what you said the last time.
That's what we need. Look at that camera. He's got a big one.
Yeah.
Yeah, they come
So
here.
you can focus on that.
They come here with.
You can really see the big head in there.
Yeah, they come here to do that. Us. They come here to take pictures
Mm.
of us.
I can't. I try to focus it and it's not good as what they have.
Yeah.
Because look, when you focus it, and you can really see the eyes and
Yeah,
colors like
right.
that.
It's too far.
Or
It's too far.
they have like longest resolution and nice resolution on their camera. Like a telescope. You can zoom it and closest one, the closest. Nice.
I can't believe it's not taking off.
He's really enjoying. I like it.
He likes the attention.
Mhm. Watch. He can this car make him proud. Oh, he's not going. Look, he used to eat already. Look,
Didn't move.
he knows that they were not going to hurt him. In the Philippines, they already been eaten like an hour ago.
They would have ate it.
They eat it. They have like a
They
gun,
thought it would be like a turkey.
like a slingshot.
And say hello to it.
Ayos. Ah, I see.
Is it an island, darling?
You look like an owl.
Osprey. That's an osprey.
Oh, osprey. What?
Osprey.
Oh, okay.
The thief. It's the thief.
Thief. The name of the bird. Look at that bird's nest in there. That's a man-made bird's nest. Oh, that's cute.
Yeah, they don't know how to put a nest. When you test today, can you test today? If negative, you can come back. If not, you can come back.
We're three now, guys. We're three classmates now, guys. We used to be like two of us. We're not alone. Oh, that's a good one. What is that, striper? Wow. You could, they could only be in there? Oh, I want it.
And let it go.
Oh, I want it and throw it away.
I don't know what it's a stork or a crane or egret. I'm not sure. There's two on the bottom and one on the top.
They're big.
They're big.
Wow. Look at the birds. They own a land like that. That's their private area.
You see any birds?
No, nope, they're quiet. I guess they come here in the morning, I think.